What's up? What's up? What's up? We are on another day of getting myself together and getting all this crap together. I still have a lot of jars to go through. I did go through these herbs yesterday. Some of them need to be repackaged. Some of them need labels. So they all need different things. And it's looking like, yeah, some of them need to be repackaged. Some of them need new labels. I'm going to try to finish packing up as much of them as I can today. I'm like cleaning my house. Winter cleaning is what you want to call it. Cleaning the storage, cleaning out closets, pulling out my Christmas stuff. And also getting myself together. I took out my hair yesterday. I don't know how I want it. I don't know how I'm going to do it. So I just kind of tied this scarf around it. I have conditioner on it. So normally when I do my hair, I let it sit in conditioner or either like a mask 1 or 2 days anyway. So it's in a mask under here. I have a plastic cap on. It's in a mask. So I'm letting that do what it do. Let's start packing some herbs. First herb I'm packing today is bilberry. Bilberry is one of the best herbs for eye health. It strengthens tiny blood vessels in the eyes. It helps with blurred vision, night vision, eye strain, dry eyes, age-related vision decline, and circulation problems around the retina. What people don't know is that bilberry packed with antioxidants and vitamins, more antioxidants than the actual blueberry. But it is awesome for the eyes. I can go on about this. I need to move on to the next herb, which is feverfew. If you are like me and do not like to take Tylenol or aspirin or anything for a headache, I am just not a pill person, then feverfew is the herb for you. It helps with migraine headaches, chin headaches, stress headaches, and just light noise and sensitivity, muscle tension. Feverfew is also great for headaches caused by PMS, menopause, or hormonal changes. It's great for the body to reduce spasms as well. Okay, so this next herb is Pau d'Arco. This herb will kill yeast infections, fungal infections, vaginal itching, vaginal discharge, skin fungal infections. This is the number one herb you need for yeast and fungal infections. Because it fights bacteria and fungus, it also supports healing for acne, eczema, ringworm, skin infection, inflammation of the skin. Do not sleep on this herb if you have any type of yeast infection or fungal infection going on inside your body. I don't know how long this is going to take me, but I am determined to get it done. I have over 150 herbs that I need to go through and add to my website or either take off my website. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I had a couple orders where I told the person I did not have the product, but I actually did. Then when I told another person I had the product and didn't have the product and had to do an overnight shipment and end up paying almost $150 for shipment because it was overnight. So this is why I must do inventory on everything that I have. You will see over time that I will be adding more herbs to the website. So please continue to check out the website every day. I'm trying to get this stuff added to the website as fast as possible. Thank you so much for your patience. We still do have 50% off, and this sale is going to stay on until all herbs are gone. We will be bringing some herbs back, but some herbs will not be coming back. Inventory will now go from about 150 to maybe about 15. So get your herbs while you can. So this next herb don't even need an introduction, but I'm going to introduce it. They call this one the Queen of Herbs because it balances the mind, body, and spirit. This herb is holy basil. Holy basil is one of my favorite because It reduces stress and calms the nervous system. This is one that I honestly drink every day, and I also made it into a powder. But not only does it help calm the nervous system, it balances hormones, it supports the immune system, it's anti-inflammatory and pain relief. It improves your mood and mental clarity. It supports gut and digestive health. It balances your blood sugar. It's great for lung and respiratory support. I mean, I can go on. I really can, but I'm going to stop there because I really want to break it down and tell you what it does for me personally. As far as the nervous system, anxiety relief, it stops you from overthinking. I'm an overthinker, so this is a big one for me. I usually drink this before I start working. Like, I'm drinking a cup now as I sit here and make this video because it helps me to stop overthinking and feeling overwhelmed. It helps with stress headaches, and it also helps me sleep. It helps with PMS symptoms, mood swings, menopause, stress, and also hormonal acne. I'm going to make other posts about holy basil because I will be 20 minutes talking about holy basil. I'm going to go ahead and get into this next herb. The next herb I want to talk about is rosehip. This is one of the natural, richest sources of vitamin C that you can take. It's an immune system booster. Is for glowing skin and anti-aging because it boosts collagen, reduces wrinkles, fade dark spots, strengthens skin barrier, and it also brightens your skin. It's great for reducing inflammation and pain. So if you have arthritis, stiffness, back aches, joint pain, this is definitely the herb for you. So good for heart health. Yes, lower your LDLs, reduces inflammation in the blood vessels, and supports healthy blood pressure, supports the urinary tract and kidney support. I'm definitely going to make more videos about each of these herbs because I have a lot to say. It's just not enough time. Next herb we're going to talk about is comfrey leaf. This has powerful benefits for the bone. They call this knit bone because it helps the body repair and rebuild tissue. You could put it on scrapes and burns. It's good for arthritis, stiff muscle. So a lot of people not only drink this, but you can also use this as well externally. This is a great herb to have if you have small children because it's great for scrapes, cuts, burns, and even dry skin. The next herb we're going to get into is best known for helping the lungs and breathing. It helps by clearing congestion, reducing coughing, opening your airwaves, helping with colds, sinus infections, mental fatigue, and concentration. This herb is also a natural pain relief. You can use it as a topical for headaches. You rub it on your temple. You can use it for muscle pain, joint pain, minor burns, or insect bites. I personally use this herb for dental care. It kills bacteria and reduces plaque. If you said eucalyptus, you are absolutely right. Eucalyptus will give you fresh breath, healthier gums, and help you fight cavities and bacteria. This next herb is also one of my favorite. This herb is nettle leaf. It's one of the most nutrient-dense herbs on the planet. It cleanses, strengthens, and nourishes the entire body from inside out. Nettle is a natural blood purifier. It helps remove toxins, excess mucus, inflammation, heavy waste in the lymphatic system. It also strengthens the hair and nail. It helps with hair shedding, strengthens the hair follicles, improve hair thickness. It helps reduces dandruff. Nettle is also a gentle diuretic. It helps the body flush excess fluids. It supports healthy kidneys, clean bladder, and also reduces bloating. This is also a great herb for women who suffer from PMS symptoms, heavy period, low iron, or menopause shifts. Nettle is mineral packed and it will support energy, blood building, anemia, and fatigue. Let's get into this last but not least herb, clovers. Clovers is a gentle but powerful cleansing herb that supports the lymphatic system, the kidneys, skin, and immune health. It helps with reduced swelling, clear lymph congestion, support immune function, remove toxins, and also reduce puffiness in the face. Clover also acts as a gentle diuretic by supporting kidney cleansing, UTI relief, bladder inflammation, and fluid retention. This is the ideal herb for detoxing without harsh reactions. It supports waste elimination naturally, reduces water retention, and removing excess mucus. After packing over 100 herbs today, I don't want to look at another herb. I have to pick up where I left off tomorrow. So for now, what I'm going to do is just clean up all this stuff and head over to my storage and see what else I can pack up over there. I have a few more items from when I had my store that I will be selling and listing on a Facebook marketplace. If you are a business owner and need some of these things or know someone that can benefit from having some of these things at a cheaper cost. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, peace.